Okay, so literal equations. So literal equations, this means that these are equations that they're not going to have numerical answers. They're going to have variables in our answer, or unknowns, okay? So let's look at these two equations with multiple variables. That's what a literal equation is. So let's look at these and see what the difference is when solving these. So let's solve the left one for x. So we're going to add the 5 and you get 2x equals 18. Divide by 2 and you get x equals 9. Okay, let's do this over here and solve for solve for x, sorry. So we're going to add the b, and you just get c plus b because we didn't know what it was. Where over here, this was really 13 plus 5, right? Equals 18. And then we're solving for x, so we have to divide by the a, which means x equals c plus b over a. So it's the same thing that you've been doing, but now we just have variables in our answers. Okay? Yep, that's what I just said. Write something in that quick write area. We'll talk about it. So this one we're solving for w. Those are being multiplied. Opposite of multiplication is division. So that's just w equals a over l. Solve for h. So that's being multiplied by l and w. So we're going to divide by l and w. So you get h equals v over lw. This one we're solving for m. So m over v. Anytime you have a fraction, let's get rid of it by multiplying by the denominator of the fraction. So multiply both sides by v, and you get m equals dv. Okay. Try those other examples. Let's look at these ones. So multi-step problems. If you think about PEMDAS, work backwards. Remove fractions by multiplying by the reciprocal, and then divide by whatever is next to your variable. So this one, we are solving for h. So let's get rid of that fraction first by multiplying by 2. So multiplying by the denominator. You get 2a equals bh. Solving for h, so divide by b, which means h equals 2a divided by b. This next one, we're solving this for m. So we're first going to get rid of that fraction by multiplying by 2. So you get 2k equals mv squared. Divide by that v squared, and you get 2k over v squared. Okay? This one, we're solving for w, so let's move that 2l over first by subtracting it. So if you missed that, we just subtracted this. And then we have to get w by itself, so divide by 2. And w equals p minus 2l divided by 2. Okay? Let's do this one, solve for x. So we're going to subtract the b over, divide by m, and x equals y minus b over m. This one, we're solving for f. So first, we want to get rid of that fraction. We're going to multiply by the reciprocal, so we're going to flip the fraction and multiply. So that's going to be 9/5 c. These cancel out because the 9 cancels that, the 5 cancels that, so they're gone. Then f minus 32. Add the 32, and so you get f equals 9/5 c plus 32. Cool, that was the shortest video I've ever made. You're welcome. Okay.